You crawling for mommy? You gonna crawl for mommy? You crawling to the end of the bed, huh? To the end? You better stop. You gonna fall, Daniel. Turn around. Go the other way. You can't do that. No, no. Get up. Oh, no. Oh, you're not. Go back. Here you go. Here you go. And you what? Come on. Woo! There you go.